Do your knees crack with every step, or does even twisting open a bottle feel tough? If so, it's not just old age. These are signals your body is sending, asking for attention. Research shows over 70% of people above 60 suffer from joint pain, stiffness, or swelling, mostly due to declining collagen, the protein that keeps joints flexible and cushioned. But here's the good news: you can fight back naturally with everyday foods. Today, I'll share 8 powerful foods that protect your joints, ease pain, and restore mobility, especially for anyone over 50. Stay until the end because I'll reveal a simple tip that makes these foods even more effective. Bone broth. Bone broth is like oil for rusty hinges. It's packed with type 2 collagen, which rebuilds cartilage, eases stiffness, and helps you move more smoothly. It also contains amino acids and minerals that reduce swelling and strengthen bones. Just 1 warm cup a day can work like natural joint therapy. Natural gelatin. Sugar-free, unflavored gelatin is one of the easiest ways to add collagen daily. It rebuilds cartilage, reduces painful friction in joints, and even improves skin elasticity. Think of it as a simple, delicious collagen boost you can prepare at home. Milk kefir. Kefir doesn't provide collagen directly, but it makes your body absorb it better. Its probiotics improve gut health, lower inflammation, and even help with better sleep, all of which support joint recovery. Eggs. Eggs are nature's multivitamin. The whites provide collagen-building amino acids, while the yolks deliver vitamin D and antioxidants that strengthen bones and protect cartilage. Chicken skin and cartilage. Don't throw away the skin and cartilage, they're rich in type 2 collagen. They directly help rebuild worn cartilage and ease joint friction. Properly cooked, they become a powerful healing food. Chia seeds. Tiny but mighty, chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that calm inflammation. They also keep joints hydrated and flexible while supplying calcium and magnesium for strong bones. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and acerola are rich in vitamin C, which your body needs to produce collagen. They also fight oxidative stress, reducing flare-ups of arthritis and stiffness. Avocado. Avocados are anti-inflammatory powerhouses. They improve circulation, enhance absorption of vitamin D for strong bones, and protect cartilage with unique antioxidants. Remember, joint pain is not something you should just accept as aging. With consistency, these 8 foods can reduce stiffness, repair cartilage, and restore your mobility. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a loved one, and tell me in the comments, which of these foods do you already eat? And don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips every week. See you in the next video.